Hello everyone, welcome to my Study Tech YouTube channel. Today I am going to introduce the R and the R Studio in this video. In my previous video, I have demonstrated how to install R and R Studio in your Windows system. Here I introduce the R and R Studio. So first we have to know the R is a language and environment for statistical computing and visualization. And RStudio is an integrated development environment for the R. It provides the user-friendly interface to write, debug, and execute the R code very efficiently. So when you install the R, it will appear like this. And let's suppose we need to execute one code to make a graph. So I'm going to paste here and let's make a graph. So it will produce the graph, but it is not user friendly because you can't save this image, and if we do any mistake in this console, that is not very easy to remove. So for this reason we need something like this. So in research point of view, it can handle the large scale of data. Suppose you have a big list of Excel sheet. So you want the sum of this column. So what you can do equals to sum, then you have to select this column to the end. It is about 6000 of row, and carefully the last one, and then after that enter. But in case of R, if you have the same sheet, you just have to paste one simple command to know the sum of this column. Further, if you want the sum of this column, you just need to change the column name and press enter. R has the customization. For example, you have this datasheet and the sum of this log to fold change. Now you have another datasheet, then you have to need the sum of the log to fold change, mean of the log to fold change, and sum of this column and mean of this column. So here you need to type all this command again. But in case of R, if you just made your script like this, log to fold change of sum of the log to fold change, mean of the log to fold change, sum of the stat, and mean of the stat, just copy this one and you have to paste here and enter. The all calculation is done. So R is basically a open source tool. For example, if you have the Microsoft, it is not a free. You have to pay, like change this product key. So you need to pay for this Microsoft Office. And if you go to any other tools like GraphPad, Prism, there is a free trial, or you have to buy GraphPad Prism. But in R, you don't need to pay anything, and it is a open source. You don't need to pay any money to use this app, just like my YouTube channel. You just have to subscribe.
R doesn't have any expiry.
Suppose you are going to use the IBM Spaces software. So you can go for the trial for 30 days, or you buy this tool for 1 year subscription. After 1 year, if you want to recalculate your data or a new set of data, you have to pay for this. But in R, if you made this graph with the use of ggplot2, the ggplot has own repository. You can see here it is available for Windows, Mac, and it also includes the archive storage. So here you can see the package of 2007 to 2024. All packages are available in this repository.
It means that R doesn't have any expiry.
R has more graph option. Like in Microsoft Excel, you have just limited graphical option to make plot your data. In Prism, it is some of the eye-catching graphical option for your data, but in R you can see you can make numerous of graph with the help of R, and it is also free. As a researcher, for me there is a one line where the MS Excel reach the limit, the R start working. Let's go to the R, and what we need to know before starting the R Studio. Here is the R version 4.4.2. It is a console. Here is the terminal, and here is the background job. So you can just ignore terminal or background job, but console is important. Let's run a script to make a plot. Here is the script, and I'm pasting here and enter. So this script made this plot, and let's view the data. I'm pasting here and enter. So here you can see here is the file. It is the working directory. You can set the working directory like in this directory. Go to this and go to the more and set as a working directory. Now the Stratitech is the working directory. Then go to the plot. Here is the plot. You can export this plot. Right click here, save as image, or you can save as a PDF. Then comes the package. Here we can see the all installed package is here, and the ggplot, it is loaded for this session. You can load any other library here like this one, and you can install any package from here, or you can update the package from any directory. So here is the panel. It shows the data like in sheet format in data frame, and here is the environment. It is R, and you can see any object of data, like here it is the data, and there is two column, name, value. The name is character and value is number. You can see all the script in the history. And now here is the another thing. You just want to remove all this script from this console. You have to click here. Want to dismiss this data here, and yes. So after the art session, if you close this Art Studio, save or don't save, whatever. So here you can see the art made a history. You can open it with notepad and enter. So all the R script is here.
If you found this introduction helpful, please give a like and leave a comment. I am making a series of art tutorial video for you, so do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.